finger.
I don't know what I'm going to do. Let me do it. Okay?
What is that, Samuel?
A monkey?
What is that, you guys? Let me see.
Stick it out.
Try this. Daddy, will you help me?
Gosh, how does it make noise?
Okay.
Let me see. Just by pulling on it, it makes noise?
Daddy, put it on my fingers.
Alright, ready? Let's see, you can do it on this one. Ready? Put this on this finger.
Guys!
Oh, just by hitting it on the floor, it makes noise?
It's impact sensitive.
Lovely.
And then,
What?
whoops, get your finger in there.
Aaron, you probably just throw it on the floor. You don't have to hit the ceiling.
Right, baby!
Oh, right. Is it right before bedtime? Is it 8 o'clock yet?
Yay, you did it.
Oh, you're the play-young lady.
Help me. I can't get it anymore. What the?
Hey, leave that alone. That's just tape. Oh, it does go over his eyes.
What the? What is that?
Mask.
Hey, Samuel.